Hey guys, I wanted to discuss my purchase of a Tiffen ND filter, variable ND filter. I actually ended up going with the, I don't know if you can read that, 77mm variable ND filter by Tiffen. I read a lot about them, and I just wanted to give you a brief unboxing. So, in the box, comes with instructions, as you can see. And you can go through and read these. Essentially, you can see here that it shows that you get 2 to 8 stops. Inside of the box, you'll get your Tiffen case that's supplied with the filter. It's actually a really nice case. I've opened this once just to play with it, but this gives you an idea. Here is the filter. It is actually quite beautiful. Build quality is quite outstanding. It's all metal construction, and it's got the threaded side here that threads in your lens, and again 2 to 8 stops of light. So I wanted to show you that. This is probably the best way. I'm going to turn it. You can see it darken right up, and then as you continue to turn it, it's light again. Pretty straightforward. On the darkest side, the most stops. So if you're going down to like 8 stops, you'll get a little vignetting. I wanted to slap it on my Nikkor AFS 16 to 35 fixed 4 aperture lens. I love this lens, by the way. I use this quite a bit. Fixed 4 aperture. It's not an incredibly fast lens, but you know, for the average Joe like myself, amateur photographer, it's a great all-around lens. 77mm opening, so it fits this Tiffen filter perfectly. Let's see if I can get it fit up. Just snug it up a little bit, but as you can see, it fits perfectly on there. Really actually classes up this lens a little bit. Let's look how gorgeous that is. But you get a nice variable filter. I'm actually going to throw this lens on and give you guys a little demonstration on camera. We're looking through the Nikkor 16 to 35 f4 constant aperture. I have the variable ND filter on and dialed all the way down. I'm going to go ahead and crank it up, and you'll see the image get darker all the way to black, actually, because the lighting's so low. And I'm just going to continue around. You see it get light right back up. So I'm going to go back in. You'll see that vignetting on the edge. See the vignetting on the edge, and the image goes back out. Along with my Tiffen variable ND filter, I ended up picking up this set of reducer rings. These things are great. I will put the link below. As you can see, they give you a reduction all the way from 77mm to 49mm. So great. You can use the same ND filter, same 77mm ND filter on all of your different lenses. I wanted to test these out and show you. So this is a 77mm ND filter, and with all these reducer rings, which isn't actually all of them in the kit. I have one left over to go a little bit smaller. This 50mm Nikon 1.8D, I can put this 77mm filter on. It looks a little funny, but it does the job. And as you can see, the variable ND goes all the way dark and back. See the blade rings? So, pretty cool.